Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar portion from chapter number 15, Eat from the Edges. In vocabulary A, match the columns to complete the proverbs. Then make sentences using any three of them. So here matching column A and column B. First, look before you lip. Second, don't cry over spilled milk. Third, never judge a book by its cover. Fourth, actions speak louder than words. Fifth, don't count your eggs before they hatch. Then next page, the suffix able and evil. The suffix able is used with complete root words. For example, enjoyable, washable. Then the suffix able is used with incomplete root words. For example, flexible, horrible, responsible. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with either able or able to complete the words. First, the bed was very comfortable. Second, I had a terrible nightmare last night. Third, my parents are very sensible people. Fourth, yesterday I read an article about an invisible man. Fifth, we asked the shopkeeper to be reasonable about the price of the pen. Then grammar section, future tense. So future tense is used to talk about an action that is yet to happen. जैसे example दिया यहाँ पर, we will now change our strategy. We will attack at the weakest point. The simple future tense can be expressed by using simple present tense. जैसे example दिया यहाँ पर, my vacation begins on 23rd March. Then using present continuous tense, I am leaving for Goa tomorrow. Or using am, is, are going plus infinitive. For example, she is going to attend the meeting. Then exercise A, complete the sentences in future tense using the correct form of words in the box. First, we will go for a holiday next year. Second, I will submit my project on Sunday. Third, the aeroplane will land at 5:30 a.m. Then fourth, we will eat dinner after 2 hours. Fifth, the meeting will start in an hour from now. Sixth, my parents will give me a watch on my birthday. Next page. Direct and indirect speech. So what is direct speech? When the actual words of the speaker are quoted, it is called direct speech. और direct speech का हमेशा कहाँ पर लिखा रहता है? The actual words are written within inverted commas. जैसे देखो example, the old woman said, then comma into inverted comma, और उसमें लिखा है my heart is old and leaking but it is yours. Then indirect speech, and indirect speech tells you what someone said but does not use the actual words of the speaker. यहाँ पर speaker के actual words नहीं रहते हैं, कोई दूसरा आपको बताता है कि speaker ने ऐसा ऐसा कहा था. जैसे example है the old woman said that her heart was old and leaking but it was theirs. Then reporting verbs. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb is reported speech changes into one of the forms of past tense. Example, simple present becomes simple past. जैसे Maya said I am fine, तो ये कैसे होगा? Maya said that she was fine. Then present continuous become past continuous. Ruhi said I am reading. Ruhi said that she was reading. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Zoya said I have finished. Zoya said that she had finished. Then simple past becomes past perfect. Zain said my dog died last evening. Zain said that his dog had died last evening. Then B. Change the sentences into indirect speech. First, Anu said I can paint a picture. ये sentence कैसे होगा? Anu said that she can paint a picture. Second, Mohit said I am feeling unwell. Mohit said that she was Mohit said that he was feeling unwell. Then third sentence is, the young man asked, where do you live? The young man asked where I lived. Then fourth, my father said I am reading the newspaper. My father said that he was reading the newspaper. Then fifth sentence, the boy said I played cricket with my friends in the morning. The boy said that he had played cricket with his friends in the morning. Then sixth, I have been to Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Nivedita said. Nivedita said that she had been to Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Then seventh, Sudarshan said, my grandparents arrived from Madurai last Friday. Sudarshan said that his grandparents had arrived from Madurai the previous Friday. Then last sentence, Soham said to his friend, I have watched the program several times. Soham told his friend that he had watched the program several times.